Welcome students. Today we are continuing the chapter Gift of the Nature. Today we are discussing about sustainable development. So let's begin. What is sustainable development? Development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the right of the future generations to fulfill their needs is termed as sustainable development. Recycling and reusing of resources as well as reducing their use are the means to sustainable development. Sustainable development encourages us to conserve and enhance our resource base by gradually changing the ways in which we develop and use technologies. What can we do for sustainable development? Let's check. Everybody has the right to have a healthy and clean environment. This can be achieved by reducing pollution. Plant more trees in public places. Trees are able to clean the air and contribute to a healthier and clean environment. Reduce the use of air polluting vehicles. Use vehicles such as cycle that do not create pollution. The non-renewable resources such as fossil fuels must be used efficiently and the development of alternatives should be encouraged. Use the non-conventional energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy, etc. to the maximum. Use the wastewater from the kitchen for watering the plants. Ensure steps for rainwater harvesting. Use cloth bags and paper bags instead of plastic carry bags. Now let's check what activities we can do for sustainable development and for environment protection. Lights and fans should be switched off when they are not in use. Use LED bulbs or CFL lamps instead of ordinary bulbs. Control the use of electric iron box, water heaters, etc. Unplug electronic devices such as television, computer, etc. when they are not in use. Use energy efficient electronic equipments only. Paper, bottles, clothes, carry bags, toys, etc. will be reused. Engage in activities to make people aware of the issues related to environment. Conserve the resources for the use of the future generations also. Okay students, in this chapter we have discussed about resources, classification of resources as biotic and abiotic, renewable and non-renewable, major causes of resource depletion, resource conservation, sustainable development, etc. That's all from this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Complete your notes and do your project. Have a nice day. Thank you.